In this video we're going to go over how to set up the Nice Edge motor. There are a number of ways you can do this. With a mono handset, with a bidirectional handset, with a TTPro bidirectional setting tool wirelessly, or with a TTPro and a dry contact bus cable. In this video we're going to go over how to do it with a TTPro and a dry contact bus cable. Firstly, power up your blind. The blind will shunt to confirm it's powered up. And for the first 15 seconds the blind is in mono mode. So you need to wait 15 seconds before you can set it up with a bidirectional tool. After 15 seconds the blind will shunt again. Now you can start programming the blind using your TTPro setting tool. Firstly, connect the dry contact cable into the head of the motor. You may find it easier to do this before you install the blind. Next, connect your dry contact cable to the TTPro bus tool. Connect the white core of the dry contact cable to the white core coming from the TTPro. Then connect the black and white core from the dry contact cable to the black core from the TTPro. Now you can start programming your blind using the TTPro bidirectional setting tool. Firstly, turn the tool on. The LED lights along the top of the tool will show that it's searching for a motor. When the tool finds a motor, the blind will shunt to confirm. Press the stop button on the tool and the blind will shunt again. Then press OK on the tool to confirm. You can now move the blind using the up and down buttons on your TTPro. Note that depending on which side of the blind the motor is installed, you may need to press the down button to move the blind up. However, once both limits have been set, the turning direction of the motor will correct itself. Firstly, drive the blind to where you want the top limit to be and press the top limit setting button. Then press OK to confirm. Then drive the blind to where you want the bottom limit to be. Press the bottom limit setting button and press OK to confirm. You can now drive the blind with just a short press of the up or down button on your TTPro. To delete a limit from your blind, just press the setting button for the limit you want to delete on your TTPro. Press the cancel button and press OK. To pair a remote control to your blind, first press the remote control button on your TTPro. Press any button on your remote control and then press OK on your TTPro. Then press any button again on your remote control and the blind will shunt to confirm. You can now drive the blind from your remote control. To delete a remote control from your blind, first press the remote control button on your TTPro. Press and hold the cancel button until it starts to flash red. Then press any button on your remote control. Then press OK on the TTPro to confirm. And the blind will shunt. To set up obstacle detection, press the RDC button on your TTPro. Then use the plus and minus buttons on the top of the TTPro to select the setting you want. We recommend setting 3, which is the maximum sensitivity. Then press OK to confirm. You'll now need to calibrate the obstacle detection by fully driving the blind down and up again twice. To do a complete motor reset, press and hold the cancel button on your TTPro until it starts to flash red. And then press OK. The blind will shunt to confirm. And your motor is now reset to factory settings.